Hey guys, I'm Brianna with Off Leash Canine. Here we have Moose. He's a 6-month-old Cane Corso, entered into our 2-week board and train program. Some of the reasons he was entered into our program is primarily for the recall, and he's also very protective, and he doesn't know his size. So he jumps up on people, he mouths, and he likes to bite and pull on the leash. So we're gonna work on some of those things, but today we're just gonna see what he already knows. Moose, come, sit. Yeah, sit. Good boy. Down. Down. Heel. Heel. Nope. Come. 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 All right. Oh, okay. All right. So you see a lot of where he is lacking a little bit, and so stay tuned for his 2-week plan.